welcome you to this citizen science project. It's called Galaxy Zoo. We're going to help assist with citizen science by helping classify galaxies. The Hubble Space Telescope took over 1 million images and they have it on their hard disk. It's impossible for just a few scientists to classify galaxies. So humans are excellent with pattern recognition, and these galaxies have been loaded into the site, and astronomers need help with the identification types of these galaxies. So we're going to, as a class, contribute to citizen science with the project. Now, it goes into information about how do galaxies form. If you click here on more, it'll give you some background about actually a little bit more about where the images come from. And I'm definitely going to tell you that's Hubble, and a little bit more details about that. Also, there's a little bit of history of the Galaxy Zoo. All right, and these are some recent images that have just come in. So to get started, you're going to click Begin Classifying. Now remember, you should have previously set up a Galaxy Zoo account. If you have not done so already by this point in the course, please do so. We're going to start off with examples, because this is actually a tutorial that will show you some examples of the different ways to classify. So be sure to check these specific examples out, because it's going to give you a little bit of a better guide as you work through the classifications. You're going to have to classify a total of 3 galaxies, take a screenshot of them, and upload them to our course. So again, here's an example. It gives you the chart. You're going to take a look at this. Is this going to be smooth? Is this going to have features of a disk? Or is this going to be a star or an artifact? If it's a star or artifact, it's going to look like more of an asterisk, sort of. The light's going to come beaming out. So we're going to say that this is, it does sort of feature a disk. It is sort of smooth here around the border. So that's what we're going to say for this one. How round? Is it completely rounded? The disk itself, I'm going to say that the disk is completely rounded. Is there any mergers? You should know by this point what a galaxy merger is, and we don't see any sort of other galaxies combining with it, so I'm going to say neither. All right, and so do you see any odd features in the image? Do you see anything that is of the ordinary, like an irregular galaxy, overlapping, possibly a dustling, other, a ring? I'm going to say done. But before I click done, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this, and that'll be my first galaxy to upload to our course. And I'm going to click done. Would you like to discuss this object? If you click yes, what you can do is, in this section here, you can actually start something off with the hashtag, and you're able to discuss with other astronomers a little bit about what suspicions you have, or if they have any comments. So it's a great way to actually communicate with other citizen scientists, and who knows, maybe find something in a little bit more detail. Also, you notice it gives you the right ascension and declination. You should know what those are by now. So if you have a telescope and you want to go outside and try to find that galaxy in the night sky, please feel free to do that. And you can click on Galaxy Zoo Examine, and it'll actually even give you more detail. You can actually view it in different wavelengths. You can actually search it through the Sky server, which it'll give you an actual detailed view of the sky. Something else in the example area, if you notice, sometimes it's helpful to invert the image, and you can see the coloring difference, so it's helping you classify it a little bit better. You can also hit this area and take the color off. You can, mark it as one of your favorites. So again, you're marking this image here in the center. You're going to do your best. You're going to classify 3 images. You're going to take 3 screenshots and upload them to our class to show that you've participated in the Citizen Science project. So I look forward to our class participating in Citizen Science with the Galaxy Zoo project.